Hey friends, welcome to my channel Ronnie's Book Review. In this time of lockdown, I am spending my time doing many things but mostly reading books. And in this process, I have came across a book named My Ramyeon Girl, written by Netra A. And I want to thank that person who have recommended me this book because it is a book of love. It is a love story, but the appeal which the author have put into this book is very fresh and unique. Firstly, this story is based on Korea. It is a story about a Korean celebrity actor who falls in love with a Indian girl named Mira. And now the story begins that there is a racism because why a Korean celebrity tried to make a relationship with an Indian girl, why a Indian girl. There are many things. There's the problem of a celebrity, the ordeals and the situations they face due to their fame. These are many things, and every love story has a problem. In this love story there is also the problem of the racism and the celebrity life of the boy. So these things makes the love story more interesting, more fresh, because in India we see Korean dramas, we follow Korean dramas, we also love Korean dramas, but a book based on Korean drama, based on Korea, based on Korean characters, it is very rare and very unique in my opinion. The author have put a very hard work in this because building a story in a foreign country is definitely a hard work because their culture, their geography, there are many things which are different from us, their mental structure is also different from us, and putting a story there means to depicting them in a place and making it reader friendly, making the reader understand their thoughts is very hard work. Now, what did I like about the story? What did I didn't like about the story? What did I like about the story? The story is very unique, very fresh, very energetic. The two leads, the characters which are there in the story, I will not give spoilers, but the two main characters, Jung Shu and Mira, they put a great effort in making the readers glued to the book. Their story, their love life, their meeting, their going on the date, these all things makes the reader mind very pleasant. They think that if I can do that, if we should do that, we should do this thing as a couple. It will make a couple goal challenge also. And the writing, Netra A is a budding author, but she have put in a very normal, simple language. And in that sense, I want to tell that this book is very beginner friendly. If you are starting to read a book, then I will recommend you to start with this book. It is very nicely written, very beginner friendly, readers friendly. The language is very normal, very simple, very understandable. Now, one more thing is that for every person, when we go to buy a book, we just see the name of the author, then the content, then the price. But if the author is a established author, like I will not name, there are many established author and whom I follow very honestly, go to buy a book of an established author, we just see the name and we buy it. We don't see the content, we don't see the price, because whatever there is, we are ready to give the time, give the money for that book because of the author's name. But in time of the budding author or new authors who are writing book, we first judge the cover, then the name, then the content, then the price. If the price is high, then we somewhat hesitate about that. But in this book, the big USP is the pricing. It is just only 76 rupees, under 100, a very nice, calming, relaxing, unique, fresh love story you will get. It is a big deal. And another big deal about this story is that it is on Amazon Kindle. You can sit in the house, you can just order the book on Kindle and you will get it. So what did I didn't like? I have to say that also. There's not many things in the story that I didn't like. I just want to tell that the ending of the book, the climax and ending of the story, if it could be different, then the story would have been very good. The ending was not up to the mark as per me, because the ending what I thought was the ending would be coming, that didn't happen, and it made me feel a little bit unsatisfied. I thought that the story is incomplete. But rather than the ending, the whole story, as a overall review, I will say that it is a very good read, beginners friendly, very much fresh and unique content written on Korea. The author have put immense work in it. So just go for the book, buy it in the Amazon Kindle. If you can't find it, I will be giving the link in the description box, so you can see there also. And there is also my detailed review. If you like to read that, is in my blog, Ronnie's Book Review. I will giving the blog email link also. And there is also my other book reviews in this channel. So for getting more book reviews, you have to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon for the notification, and please follow me on my other social media handles, and mainly my Instagram account biblio_Ronnie. The link is in the description box. Go check it out. You will get more information about my books. So saying this, tata.